Test, test, test. How's it going, everybody? Kevin O'Keefe here. This may very well be my first video to the start of this channel. I know I've made a few attempts in the past, just trying a little bit of whatever, seeing what sticks. Nothing has really stuck, and so I've tried to do my best to make it easy and bring this indoors. It was too much to try to keep going to the studio, especially when the weather is all over the place. So I got my microphone, camera, whole little computer set up, and I'm hoping that everything from here on out will just be really simple and smooth. Be able to start sharing some of the things that I want to share and make a little channel doing just that. So for now, it's just going to be a simple start, modify as we go, and make it a fun work in progress. I've got a lot of ideas, and I look forward to implementing them as they're comfortable. So anyways, here's to new beginnings and sharing the love. See y'all around.